of glory on More Radio. All the way through January, we have been paying your bills every morning on More Radio Breakfast. And tomorrow, another chance to win a Carpenter Feather on More Radio.
Both petrol and diesel engines could benefit from engine. When it comes to remapping, always check your warranty first. See ellismotors.co.uk.
For a family day out with a difference, visit the Bluebell Railway. So much more than a train ride. Book now at bluebell-railway.com.
To look right at your baby, but here's my number. So come and starts this weekend. Watch on iPlayer.
Shut to T-Bay, we've got an overturned lorry. We've got 2 lanes shut. Northbound between the M602 eastbound, we've got an overturned vehicle. Junctions 1 to 2, we've got 1 lane shut. And then to the M1 on the northbound side right now, 39 through to 40.
In excess coming up. That was Girls Aloud and Can't Speak French. It's 3:30.
Callum Scott, welcome to Radio 2.
Thank you so much for having me. First time I've seen you as well since
competition. Today is when your book begins, the rest is still unwritten. Blank page before you, open up the dirty window, let the sun illuminate the words.
You know what it's like when your favourite player rocks a new pair of kicks and you want to turn up to the 5-a-side.
Hey, Woody, if running your business.